So for our character developers, gamers, writers, or anybody, you can actually create amazing characters with this DeepfakeMaker OC maker. So all you have to do is to go to this website, DeepfakeMaker, then choose the other section here. Then the very first option is OC maker, which means that you can actually create your own character. So all you have to do is select a character, choose the gender, choose the style you want, choose the age, the body build, the hair, the eyes. Even you can even go on to choose the facial features, the skin, the top, the dress he or she is wearing, the material, the accessory, and also choose the image ratio you want the image to be created in. And once you are done selecting this and customizing, you can hit generate, and your very own character will be created within seconds, just like that. So all you have to do is to now download it and use it for any um, purpose you intend to use it for. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe. We really need your sub.